The machine costs 1 lakh. The scrap value is 5,000. So subtracting, we get the required amount to be 95,000. Let capital R be the amount that is to be set aside at the end of each year. We have 12 years, so n equal to 12. The effective rate of interest is 5%, so I equal to 5 by 100 or 0.05. I equal to 0.05 means 1 plus I becomes 1.05. Substitute these values into the formula for A and rearrange and solve for R. The numerator, we can use the given value for 1.05 power 12. Denominator, we could use 0.8 instead of 0.7958 to get an approximate value.